Hi everyone. So this is just going to be a quick video giving you an overview on how we install and set up Accessibility Mouse. So first thing we do is head over to myaccessibility.ai and scroll down to the software and download section. So click on Accessibility Software, and on the left side there you'll see Accessibility Mouse, and obviously if you scroll down, you'll see a button to also get to the instructions, which is this video. So you click the download button and the software will go to your downloads folder. Double click that and drag the Accessibility Mouse application to your applications folder. You'll see it there, and double click on it, and that'll launch the application. Once the application's launched, you're going to have to give it privileges so that it can access the accessibility settings. So the minute you go to the settings, it's going to ask you to open your settings folder, and right at the top you can see Accessibility Mouse. Give that access, put in your system password, and that will now allow it to control the mouse speed and give you a much more fine controlled access of your mouse. So then if you go and actually have a look at the different settings, you can see the settings I use. I probably recommend these to start with and then tweak from there. One controls the pointer speed and one controls the acceleration. And also tick it to set to auto restart on boot up. So once you've done that, it's time to clean up, and you've got to do a couple of things. So first thing you want to do is close the DMG file and eject it from your computer. Then we want to head over into settings and double check that our mouse speed is still set to the right speed. So open settings, scroll down to mouse. And here you want to make sure that your mouse is on full speed. At least that's what I find works best. And now you should be all done, and hopefully it's making your experience using your gyroscopic head mouse a lot more accurate and easy to use. Thank you.